So my name's Nicholas Eastwood. I'm Technical Director at Secon Renewables. Part of my role is assisting with technical, that's to the installers, to developers, and that's pre-sales, post-sales, and also training. We've been very much involved from the beginning of the process when Harron had started looking at heat pumps. So that's been through helping them decide on what solution suits their needs best, but also what suits their customer, because obviously that is a big part of it. So their customer is going to be the one who's living with this technology. Through that, we've offered indemnified design services and also then providing assistance with training their contractors on site. We've also been offering post-sales training, so that's training around the product, and that's been manufacturer accredited training, so that's allowing them to offer the full manufacturer's warranty on the product. We've then also helped with training on site, so for the first sites we came and did some assisted commissioning. And then alongside that, we've been offering assistance on site as the project has gone on. So in terms of after-sales support, we've obviously provided ongoing assistance on site with any issues that may have arisen, so we can address them. We've also provided monitoring, so we've done quite a bit of monitoring of some of the first plots that went ahead. That's allowed us to sort of take data away from that to then feed that back to not just Harron, but to the contractors on how they can improve the efficiencies of the units by tweaking flow temperatures. So with the transition that the new build sector is making with the future homes standard, obviously it's important that the work is put in now to make sure that the installations that are going to hit the efficiencies that are quoting. And obviously, you know, we've all seen the press around heat pumps. Obviously the feedback we're getting off the Harron Homes site at the moment is that, you know, the units are performing very well. It's a great honour for Secon to be supplying Harron Homes with the heat pumps for this development and other developments on such a large scale. Obviously one of the things is keeping up that relationship with all the partners involved to obviously keep delivering these projects on time, and also, you know, the best package for the end user, the customer who's going to be living with these for many years to come.